No!
And who do you think you are to touch me?
Like a ninja or something. That's it. We gotta get him out of here. I'm calling airport security.
This flight attendant is assaulting a passenger! And Maple Airlines says they're the best service in the industry.
Give me that phone. That video needs to be deleted.
Not a chance. The public deserves to know about your abusive service.
She's right. This needs to be documented.
Delete that video, or you'll all be banned from Maple Airlines. For life!
Ma'am, you have to see this.
What on earth? Contact the pilot for that flight and tell them to delay takeoff. I'm going on board.
Hold it.